This is Fuzzee Tutorials, and I'm Fuzzee D. So I've got a little bit of channel update here for you. Let's get started. We just got notification the other day that an apartment we've been waiting to come up to for our move, it has become available. Now they're still doing cleanup and stuff on it, but we should be getting the call before the end of the month to start moving in. So I know I promised you guys some tutorials here when I did that microphone update, and I'm going to try and get one or two out in the next couple of days. So the first one I'm going to be working on is I'm going to show you how to do multi-track recording in OBS, and the next update might even roll it into the first one depending on how it goes, is I'm going to do a little more in-depth review on this new microphone. I was going to wait about a month, but I've done quite a bit of recording with it already, and I've noticed some huge differences, especially once I apply a little bit of EQ, and just the quality of recording is just, it's so much better than what I had before. It just blows me away every time I listen to a video I've done on the big TV. Probably the next couple of videos I've got planned after that are going to be a couple of DaVinci Resolve tutorials. I'm going to show you how to do a fancy little fusion effect where you'll have like a burst of flame which makes a logo appear and then have it dissolve away into particles. And then I'm going to show you a stage 2 of that in the next tutorial that will show you how to actually set up what's kind of like billboards on either side of a road, and then you can drive past the billboards using the camera movements, and then come out to the final animation sequence with the flame and the particle effect. So that's going to be upcoming, and that's going to show you how I did the new bumper for my new channel. If you're interested in taking a look at that new channel, that's Fuzzee Road to Health. So this is where I'm showing people how I was able, through the use of a very precise diet, to put all of my autoimmune diseases into remission and lose a bunch of weight. So I'm also going to be, hopefully by the end of the year, getting back surgery, which will give me a lot more flexibility to start going out in the world and doing some more realistic demos of actual filmmaking out in the community, and then coming back and editing it. So that's what we've got planned for the future. So if I don't have any videos again for a little while, it's not because I'm decided not to do anything more with the channel. It's just because we're moving, and because of my bad back and all that stuff, it's going to take a while to get everything set back up and operating again. So the new studio should be much better. We're moving into a bigger place, and it's got more storage space. So all this stuff you see behind me, storage out in the open on these shelves that you've seen in various forms over the years of this channel, that'll all be going away into hidden storage. So I should have a nice proper office and YouTube studio to work out of from that point forward. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge doing the move, but it's going to be well worth it in the end. It's going to make for doing much more videos for you guys. So if you find our videos useful, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be sure to be notified when we're making videos again. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We appreciate you being here. See you on the next video. Bye for now.